Welcome to our culinary journey. Join us as we embark on a flavorful adventure through the savory delights of chicken lo mein, a beloved staple in Chinese American cuisine that harmoniously combines soft noodles with crunchy vegetables and succulent chicken, creating a dish that's both familiar and exciting. Origin story. Chicken lo mein is believed to have originated from the Canton region of China, where lo mein noodles were first created. The dish was popularized in the West by Chinese immigrants who adapted traditional recipes to suit local tastes, incorporating vegetables and sauces widely available in America, and thus creating a unique fusion of flavors and techniques. Ingredients list. For this authentic recipe, you will need chicken breast, 500 grams, thinly sliced, lo mein noodles, 200 grams, soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, sesame oil, 2 teaspoons, garlic, minced, 2 cloves, fresh ginger, minced, 1 tablespoon, mixed vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, snow peas 2 cups, green onions, chopped, 1/4 cup, vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons, salt and pepper to taste, sesame seeds and chopped scallions for garnish, optional. Recipe, preparation. Cook the lo mein noodles according to package instructions until just al dente, rinse under cold water to stop cooking, and set aside to drain excess moisture. Recipe, cooking. In a large wok or pan, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over high heat. Add the chicken slices and stir fry until they are browned and cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the wok and set aside. Recipe, the sauce. Reduce heat to medium, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, minced garlic, and ginger, and stir until aromatic, about 1 minute. Quickly add the mixed vegetables and stir fry until just tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. Recipe, combining. Add the cooked noodles, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil to the wok. Toss everything together and stir fry for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are well coated and heated through. Return the cooked chicken to the wok and stir fry for another minute to combine. Serving suggestion. Garnish with chopped green onions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and a drizzle of sesame oil, if desired. Serve hot directly from the wok for the best flavor experience, and enjoy the harmonious balance of textures and flavors in each bite. Fun fact. Lo mein means tossed noodles, distinguishing it from chow mein, which means fried noodles. Both dishes are similar but differ mainly in the texture of the noodles, with lo mein noodles being softer and more pliable, while chow mein noodles are crisper and more fried. Tips and variations. For a vegetarian version, substitute chicken with firm tofu or tempeh. To add some heat, incorporate red pepper flakes or sriracha into the sauce. Experiment with different vegetables, such as mushrooms or bok choy, to create your own unique lo mein recipe.